To get a volume mixer that controls the volume of each individual app on a Samsung phone, you can use the app called Sound Assistant. This video is not sponsored. It just happened that I have been using the app for a while and had a great experience with it and thought to share it. To download it, go to your Galaxy Store on your Samsung phone, search for Sound Assistant and download it. The app is not available on the Google Play Store, so you will need to use the Galaxy Store. In the app, go to Customize Volume panel and turn it on. This type of volume menu will appear, and when you press the three dots, you'll be able to control each app volume individually. I also recommend you to tinker with the settings. The app is pretty advanced. You can customize what you want to appear in the floating menu, you can even change the look of the volume bar to look like this. You even have an intricate equalizer. I hope this video helped.